So obsessed with these Hello Kitty style pencil cases and accessories for back to school. Absolutely had to look at all of it today, even though I don't need to buy a single thing for back to school right now. But how can you not just love all this cute stuff? This is taking me right back to 1985, y'all. Even the rubber bands are in cute colors now. Just gotta love these. Look at these, just a pack that's just pink and gray. Love them. I got married in 2018 and my daughter got married in 2021. And I tell you, there are so many more cute accessories and everything. Look at this, even cake servers here at the Dollar Tree now. Sparkly cutlery sets, just all kinds of things that we could have used for both of those weddings at just $1.25. And I know we paid quite a bit for just all kinds of little accessories, like these organza bags that we put treats in for our, favor bags for our guests. And those were pretty expensive. And here they have them. Oh, even the polka dot ones. I'm obsessed with polka dots. So those are great. But just all the accessories, and it's just fantastic. I think I need to hold a second wedding, renew our vows, just because they have so many cute things right now. Maybe I could talk my daughter into doing a ceremony with us, or she could at least get the bridesmaid bag again. So many cute things. I'm loving it. And there's the rose petals. Again, just $1.25 a bag. We ordered our rose petals online and they were so expensive. I'll have a high school graduate in just a few more short years, and it really makes my heart happy to know that there are so many cool graduation decorations that are affordable, because we will want to have a nice little party at the time. And being who I am, Miss Cheapskate, I won't want to spend a ton of money, but I really will want to decorate and have a great time. These organizers here are the best for medicine cabinets because they're just shallow enough, not so deep you can't fit them in a medicine cabinet, but they're great to fit right in the door. You can slip them out if you need to, or just put your products in. And I just pop the lid off because I don't need the lid for anything. Absolutely great for medicine cabinets. We've been hearing a lot about the menstrual care products being in short supply. I have not really seen that at the Dollar Tree. If you don't usually shop here for those products, this is a great place to try in a pinch, especially. Too adorable.